So in today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix Chrome not opening or not working easily and fast. So first thing you want to do is go into the search down here and search for Chrome. Click on your right mouse, click on open file location, click again on your right mouse, open file location of the Google Chrome, and right here all what you want to do is very simple. Just click on here on chrome.exe and click on rename and change the name into chrome1.exe. Click again on your right mouse, click on properties, compatibility, enable this option, click apply and OK. That's it. After that, turn off your PC and turn it on again. Don't forget to like, subscribe.